Hello, good morning, students. In the first part, we have done what is the Gauss-Markov theorem. That we have done that there is a linear model of y is equal to x beta plus c, where y is some random observed vector which we want to estimate on the basis of value of x, and x is some known values that is we have collected by sampling, and beta we want to determine, and e is error, and where x is some n by p matrix, and error is given to be the expectation of error is 0 and the covariance matrix is sigma square I. Gauss-Markov theorem states that the OLS, ordinary least square estimators are the blue. They are the best estimator among the class of estimator. कि जितनी भी estimator की class है उसमें से जो OLS है, ordinary least square estimator जो है वो best हैं. They are blue. Blue means best linear unbiased estimator. So let us just, first of all try to find the least square methods, that is OLS. Let us try to find that. We try to minimize the summation E square. We try to minimize E. So this is E dash E. So what is E? E is residual. So residual is y minus x beta and y minus x beta. So this is transpose. This is, and when we multiply these ones, this is. Now if you look at this thing, y dash x, this is some scalar and this is some scalar, and transpose of this one is equal to same one. It will be equal to itself. That is, if I take y dash x beta transpose, so it will be equal to, so I can write beta dash x dash y is equal to y dash x beta. Now if this is a scalar, so transpose will be equal to itself, so I can write y dash x beta is same as beta dash x dash y, so I can write y dash minus y to beta dash x dash y plus beta scale x dash x. This is also scalar. Now in order to find the least square, so what we do, we will differentiate this one with respect to beta. So I differentiate with respect to beta and then I put equal to 0. So when I differentiate, so this will be 2x dash y plus 2 beta x dash x equal to 0. So I will find beta, so I call it beta cap. So this will be 2, we will cancel x dash y, this is x dash x. So what will be beta? Beta will be, this implies beta cap will be, this will go on inverse on the other side, x dash x inverse x dash y. So this is my ordinary least square estimator, OLS. Ordinary least square estimator, that is x dash, we have done this thing, x dash y, so this is s, so beta cap is x dash x inverse into x dash y, so this is s, so I can write s inverse x dash y. Now by ordinary least square method we have found that beta cap is equal to s inverse x dash y. Now we want to prove that this is the best estimator. If I think that this is some matrix, this matrix is of order p by n, so I am taking beta star, this is something ay. So beta star is some linear function of y. It's a linear function of y which we shall take an estimate of beta. So what we do, we will try to specify the element of A so that beta star become the best estimator, that it become blue. That is, the blue means best linear unbiased estimator. कि हम A के element determine करने की कोशिश करेंगे. We will try to find the elements of A so that beta star become the best linear unbiased estimator. So our all responsibility fixed on A. So let us take A as, let A is like this, same, that is S inverse X dash plus B. A is any constant matrix. This is also very important thing. A is any constant matrix. A is any constant matrix. Obviously, A depends upon X dash X. X is known, X dash is known. So when you multiply them, the value will be known. So this is the constant matrix. Now we will try to find B in order to specify A. Because this is known. So अगर हमें A पता करना तो सारा B के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट है. So we will try to find the B, and we try to make it a unbiased estimator. Unbiased estimator means कि its expectation is equal to itself. So E beta star, this is equal to AY, and A is S inverse X dash plus B, Y is X beta plus E. Now, because expectation properties we know very well, that is expectation of AX plus B, this is equal to A expectation of X plus B. So this is a constant, so they will come outside and E will operate on X beta plus E. Expectation of E is 0, so this will go. So we left with X is also constant, so it will come out, and it is beta, X beta, and so therefore we have proved E beta star, this is equal to when we multiply this one, their matrix also. When you simplify this thing, S inverse X, you will get identity, because S inverse is X dash X inverse into X dash. So this will give you inverse, will give you identity. So this you left with beta plus beta XB. Now अगर बीटा स्टार को अनबायस्ड बनना है तो ये बीटा के इक्वल होना चाहिए. दिस शुड बी इक्वल टू बीटा. इट मींस कि दिस थिंग शुड बी 0. सो दिस थिंग शुड बी 0. सो दिस इंप्लाइज bx beta is equal to 0 for all beta. So this implies bx equal to 0. That is, this is very very important condition. That is, bx should be equal to 0. So now we have done that is by OLS, that is the estimator is S inverse X dash Y. This is OLS, and then we have a beta star, that is unbiased estimator. We want to prove that this is having the minimum variance is equal to AY, and we have put condition on A. A is some this sort of this one. So we want to find the elements of A so that beta star become the best estimator. तो इस कंडीशन को करते हुए कि जब अनबायस्ड की कंडीशन हमने इंपोज की इसके ऊपर, तो अपने पास कंडीशन आ गई bx इक्वल टू 0. अब मेरे को लास्ट चीज प्रूव करनी है कि बीटा स्टार का जो वेरिएंस है वो मिनिमम है. तो मिनिमम वेरिएंस के लिए आई विल टेक द हेल्प ऑफ कोवेरियंस मैट्रिक्स. जो कोवेरियंस मैट्रिक्स होता है, द कोवेरियंस मैट्रिक्स ऑफ सम वेरिएबल्स, इफ आई ट्राई टू फाइंड द कोवेरियंस मैट्रिक्स अगर मैं फाइंड करने की कोशिश करूंगा तो दैट विल बी 3 वेरिएबल्स x, covariance xy, covariance xz, covariance yx, covariance yy, covariance yz, and you can see that the diagonals, covariance xx means variance x, covariance yy means variance. So इसका मतलब जो covariance के जो diagonals है they represent the variance. अगर मेरे को ये प्रूव करना है कि बीटा स्टार का वेरिएंस मिनिमम है, तो मुझे ये प्रूव करना पड़ेगा इसकी जो डायगोनल एलिमेंट है कोवेरियंस मैट्रिक्स के वो मिनिमम है. लेट अस ट्राई टू प्रूव दिस थिंग. कंडीशन इज bx equal to 0. So we are moving toward last step, that is the covariance of beta star. Covariance of beta star. So this is E. That is, beta star is the best among all the betas. So beta star dash, that is, this is expectation. So I will substitute the value of beta star. So beta star substitute value is, we have done that value is S inverse x dash plus b into y minus beta, and here is y minus beta and its transpose. Okay, I will try to simplify this one because y is equal to x beta plus c, and another property is that bx is equal to 0. This is also given to us. So I will use these two properties to prove this thing. So I will substitute the value. So I will substitute the value. Y is x beta plus c. Beta plus c माइनस बीटा डैश. तो मैं इसको कैलकुलेट कर लूंगा, फिर जो इसका आंसर आएगा वो यहाँ पे लिख दूंगा. लेट अस सी दैट. So if I simplify this thing, you can multiply these ones, you can multiply these one, you can multiply these one, and you will left with only, when you multiply this thing with this one, you get beta, so beta will get cancelled. So I left only with and same is here, nothing difference. So same is here. Same is here. Then I will take transpose, and then I will use the properties of transpose. And when I multiply these two, after taking the transpose, what I get? So I am writing directly, so you can easily prove this thing. And plus, so I have not taken expectation yet. No, I use certain properties here. Now this is scalar, so you will operate on E dash. This is E dash, expectation is sigma square I. So these are matrices. I will not do anything else. So you just left with few things. Let us see that what happened. There are few terms, they will changes to 0, and few will this will changes to 0. This will changes to 0, and this one also changes to 0. This will also changes to 0. So this will changes to, that is, let's do that. This will be sigma square S inverse x dash S inverse. So I can simplify this one. So I will left with sigma square S inverse and plus sigma square b beta b dash, that is. So we reached here. The covariance of this one become, covariance of beta star is sigma square outside, so S inverse plus BB dash. कोवेरियंस इसके इक्वल आ गया और हमें इसको मिनिमाइज करना है इसके डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स को. S is a constant, we cannot do anything about it, but we can do about this thing. BB dash. BB dash is positive definite. Positive definite means it is always greater than 0. So what we can do? So only thing we can do that to make the variance minimum, we can make this thing equal to 0. We can put its diagonal elements equal to 0. So this will be 0. So when this b is 0, and which is compatible with bx equal to 0. So it means that when we put b0 means our this a, we have supposed a is we have supposed in the beginning the a is S inverse x dash plus b. If b is 0, this is same. This is the ordinary least square OLS. So OLS is best estimator.